Welcome to Progressive Telecom. Today, we're exploring the difference between DID and DOD in telecommunications. What is DID? DID stands for Direct Inward Dialing. It's a feature that allows businesses to assign individual phone numbers to each employee, without requiring separate physical phone lines for each number. Benefits of DID. With DID, your business can enhance communication efficiency, reduce costs, and offer personalized contact points for customers. What is DOD? Now, let's talk about DOD, which stands for Direct Outward Dialing. This feature allows employees to make outbound calls directly from their assigned numbers, without going through a switchboard. Benefits of DOD. DOD improves productivity by streamlining the outbound calling process, ensuring calls are made efficiently and without delays. DID versus DOD key differences. To recap, DID focuses on receiving calls through individual numbers, enhancing inbound communication. DOD, on the other hand, simplifies making outbound calls, boosting outbound communication efficiency. Choosing the right solution. Choosing between DID and DOD depends on your business needs. For personalized customer interactions, DID is ideal. For seamless outbound communication, DOD is the way to go. At Progressive Telecom, we offer comprehensive DID and DOD solutions tailored to your business needs. Our advanced telecommunication services ensure you stay connected with your customers efficiently and effectively. For more updates, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Visit our website at progressivetele.com for more information.